Morning. Well, this is a good calm day. So see the my practice city for the Overwatch. Like the Overwatch 1, not Overwatch 2. And they just do a racer in there. Practice day. And like they're doing like other like characters to like two characters. They just do it for like one sad and that's it. And so I guess it's got like some good values here. I watch one. And it's like pretty so good. Okay, so there's a band puppy going on called Hoffa's Country Off-Road. Apparently they like going up between the rats showdown, which I already talked about. But I guess there's ain't much to this other people. I guess they like real local. But it's like anyone ever heard of these people. I like you never did a rap battle with them. And did something similar. So it's country off road is we must get local. Hey, what was this guy next to the car band? Wish I could go to other bands. I like see like how much off road they do. Most people go to these bands in that shredded park. Tester it. But that's today's park. Check out my ex. Follow my Instagram.